In today's video, we're breaking down the key differences between AC and DC circuit breakers. Not only do they handle different types of current, but their design, safety features, and applications are also quite different. Let's look at them side by side. AC breakers are designed for alternating current, which changes direction multiple times per second. On the other hand, DC breakers are built for direct current, which flows in one constant direction. In AC, the current gets to zero naturally, 50 times per second at frequency of 50 Hz, which naturally helps extinguish any arc when a breaker opens. Because of it, there is almost no threat of fire if properly sized. AC breaker has low arc interrupting rating. In DC, the current is constant and doesn't cross zero, so when a breaker opens, the arc can last for much longer. That prolonged arc can heat up internal components or nearby wiring, increasing the risk of fire or equipment damage. Because of the higher energy involved, DC breakers need higher interrupting capacity. AC breakers have simpler internal components and are generally more compact. Due to zero crossing, the contact gap is also small. DC breakers need extra design features like arc chutes or magnetic blowout coils to break the arc effectively. Because DC arcs are harder to extinguish, DC breakers need a wider contact gap compared to AC breakers. You'll find AC breakers in homes, offices, and most household devices for building wiring and AC motors. On the other hand, DC breakers are used in solar power systems, electric vehicles, battery banks, and data centers. DC breakers are bulkier and often include arc chutes or magnets. As a result, DC breakers usually cost more than AC breakers. I hope you like the video. For more interesting videos, stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.